Good afternoon. It's Wednesday the 7th of May 2025. It's about 6:30 and temperatures today were up 20, and you can see how blue the sky has been all day. It's absolutely superb. And I'm standing up at the Belfast viewpoint, Gilnahirk Braniel viewpoint once again, bringing you a view over Belfast docks and over Belfast city and over Belfast loch. You'll see that this road here has been gravelled. It's not to my liking. I'd rather it had been properly tarmacked. But enough of my grumbling. We've got another cruise ship in today, and you possibly look at my channel and wonder, why have I not been videoing cruise ships? Well, I haven't been videoing cruise ships because most of the cruise ships that have been in, I've already videoed. So I'm not going to boil my cabbage twice, as they say. Although I have videoed some cruise ships twice. Look at the litter as usual. Anyway, what's in today? I'm going to try and stand out of the wind. And there is a bit of a wind. This is the Norwegian Prima, and it's operated by Norwegian Cruise Lines, and this vessel is virtually brand new, and it's one of 6 vessels in this series. It's the first one. Now it's a big brute. I'll just show you what it's like here. Now it's got a fantastic paint job down the front here, which you can't really see. So it's the Norwegian Prima, and there's 5 other cruise ships in the series for Norwegian Cruise Lines to follow. 3 of them, I think, three have been already built. This one was entered service in 2022, and it was built by Fincantieri, Marghera, Italy. This vessel is 143,535 tonnes. Its length is 300 metres. Its width is 40 metres. And there's a bit of confusion about the numbers on board. I'm being told by Wikipedia that there's 3,000. It has capacity for 3,099, and I'm being told by Wikipedia that it's got 1,506 of a crew. And then I'm being told by Belfast Harbour that there's over 5,000 on it. So I'm not absolutely sure just how many are on it, but it is a substantial vessel. I'm trying to read at the same time as keep the camera on the cruise ship. The Norwegian Viva is due in 2023. The Aqua is due in 2025. And there's another ship to come after that, and it'll be even bigger. We already have had quite a number of cruise ships into Belfast. We've had the Presosa, we've had the Renaissance, we've had the Celebrity Eclipse. They're all substantial vessels, and we had the Norwegian Pearl in yesterday. And this one here is a luxury vessel. It's got infinity beach, it's got infinity pools, it's got 2 glass bridges, it's got a sculpture garden with $2 million worth of sculptures in it. It's got a La Teresa outdoor lounge. It's got 11 food locations or diners, and it's not really catering for families. It's catering for people with big wallets. And I always say whenever, well, I very often say whenever I go on a wee rant about cruise ships coming into Belfast, UK hasn't made a cruise ship, built a cruise ship since, what, the 60s? UK does not build any cruise ships. Our car manufacturing is way to the dogs. Our motorbike manufacturing is a memory, apart from Triumph. Our lorry manufacturing is a memory. We can't even produce navy vessels. I was reading in the news this morning that we have to import steel from France to build our submarines. We can't build a cargo vessel. They're all built in China. Our industries are all in China. You go into a store, whether it's for electrical equipment or for clothing, for books, for anything about the home, and it's all made in China. And you're wondering, on VE Day just past, who actually won the war? Because it doesn't look like UK won the war. Because the countries we fought about, or fought against, are doing far, far better. Germany, Japan. My goodness, they leave us far, far behind. What has happened to the UK? Once a leading world country, now a country that owes billions to the World Bank and other countries. We're sitting next door to being bankrupt, folks. The amount of debt that UK is in today is absolutely unbelievable. And this is the legacy that we will leave for our children. They'll be in debt they'll be in debt forever as a country. This is not a good situation. And it's successive UK governments have allowed this to happen. And the Tories have allowed it to happen. Margaret Thatcher refused to subsidise the UK shipyards. So they all died, because all the European yards were getting subsidies from their own governments. But she refused to subsidise UK yards. So she, you know, and the Labour did the same. So therefore, they lost. They couldn't compete. So their workers were made redundant. So they lost the skills to make ships. And the same thing happened with virtually every other industry. What has become of the UK? I'm just having a wee rant there, and a wee grumble.